Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best Sonicare toothbrushes that are available on the market for their true quality. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now, let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the Philips Sonicare ProtectiveClean 4100 Rechargeable Electric Toothbrush. If you prefer to brush beyond the recommended 2 minutes, you will have to turn your toothbrush back on as it is programmed to turn off automatically and there is no bypass on the function. Some users see this as an inconvenience, but not a deal breaker. While this option does have a smaller range of compatible brush heads, the options are all bristled, though some users do warn that it might not be best for those with sensitive teeth because of its intense brushing strength. A long battery life and battery light indicator lets the user know when the 4100 is ready to be charged again, though one charge can usually last for 2 weeks. Some have complained of this product not working after a year, but that seems to be few and far between, and the 2.5-year warranty through Philips Sonicare should cover most issues. Moving on at number 4, we have the Philips Sonicare DiamondClean Smart 9500 Rechargeable Electric Power Toothbrush. With a name like DiamondClean, it's no surprise that this toothbrush is said to remove up to 10 times more plaque than other toothbrushes. With Bluetooth connection, you can pair your DiamondClean through with the Sonicare app for a more interactive experience and pick your signature brushing experience, as this toothbrush is full of options. With 4 different smart brush head types that automatically pair with the appropriate brushing mode and smart sensors, the DiamondClean is able to provide real-time feedback. Along with smart brush heads, the DiamondClean is equipped with 5 brushing modes: Clean, White Plus, Deep Clean Plus, Gum Health, and Tongue Care, all of which can be used on one of 3 intensity levels. Sound like a lot? Not to worry, because the DiamondClean has a built-in pressure sensor to help protect your gums while brushing, meaning no uncomfortable moments. At number 3, we have the Philips Sonicare 1100 Power Toothbrush. The slim, ergonomic design of the Sonicare 1100 makes it our top pick among the more basic electric toothbrushes. In white and gray only, you won't spend time debating on whether or not you'll get tired of the color in 6 months, and it has all the basic features of its Sonicare siblings. This includes the 2-minute smart timer with quad pacer, easy start which gently increases power, and the battery life indicator light, making it easy to know when it's time to re-up on power. The full package also includes one Simply Clean C1 brush head and a USB charger, wall adapter not included. At number 2, we have the Philips Sonicare Battery Toothbrush. For a great on-the-go toothbrush, look no further than the Philips one. Light, just 3 ounces, and bright, it comes in a variety of colors with names like Miami Coral, Shimmer, and Mango. It's the perfect companion for a weekend getaway, complete with its very own carrying case. Like other Sonicares, this model has a 2-minute timer with 30-second notifications to prompt you to switch quadrants. It's important to note that the Philips one is a manual Sonicare toothbrush. The brush doesn't rotate, but rather vibrates. This makes it a great in-between option to help you decide whether you want to commit to an electric toothbrush on the higher end of the price range. And finally, at number 1, we have the Philips Sonicare for Kids. The Philips Sonicare for Kids offers a range of benefits to promote healthy dental habits. Available in pink and blue, this lightweight toothbrush makes brushing fun with its customizable handle, includes 8 different stickers, and musical kid pacer to keep your child's brushing on track for the recommended 2 minutes. A free, interactive app is available for this toothbrush in order to help guide your little ones with tips on proper brushing, and it tracks performance with goal setting to reward their success. By learning why brushing is important, your children are more likely to want to brush their teeth and get surprise virtual gifts with each successful brushing. The app saves data for up to 20 sessions. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.